Good day, you beautiful people. Welcome to Today's Tech, where we do tech in your life in style. We're in San Jose, California, and this is the day after the Samsung S25 series launch. And you guessed it, because you guys kept on asking me for this. I'm gonna be vlogging with the Samsung S25 Ultra today. We're gonna see how the cameras work. We're gonna test out AI. In general, I make these videos so that you can see for yourself just how this phone will perform in real-life scenarios. Now, to recap, and we're gonna use AI, this phone reps
The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra boasts a formidable camera system. Main camera, 200 megapixels, f/1.7 aperture, with 2x optical quality zoom.
Anyway, it's gonna be an exciting day because we are set to watch a Warriors versus Chicago Bulls game. Except I am not a sports person. I mean, I'm gonna be there and be like, yay, sports! So I figured I might as well learn about what we're about to do. Can you tell me about the Golden State Warriors?
The Golden State Warriors are a professional basketball team based in San Francisco, California. They compete in the National Basketball Association.
Okay, so I just learned that Stephen Curry is a thing. I want to try Gemini Live now because that allows me to ask questions in a more conversational tone. It's this little button over here. What can you tell me about the Golden State Warriors versus Chicago Bulls game that's happening today?
Warriors are playing the Bulls tonight at 7 p.m. Both teams have had ups and downs this season, so it should be a good matchup.
What number is Steph Curry's jersey so that I can, zoom in to him and take photos of it?
Steph Curry wears number 30.
Who else should I look out for at this game?
For the Warriors, keep an eye on Andrew Wiggins. Jordan Poole's another one to watch, though his playing time's been up and down.
When I press end, it'll show you the text so that if you want to remember what the answers are, you can just see it on here. That's enough sports for today. I'm gonna go get ready. Wait, look, it's cool. I have this, which is my afternoon briefing. It gives me the weather so I can dress up accordingly today. It's not so cold. And yeah, news and events. Nice. So this is the outfit, but I sort of wanted to bring this tiny bag because it's perfect for thirsty girls like me. This is actually a water bottle holder, but the S25 Ultra is way too big to fit in this bag, and I'm guessing most of my tiny bags. It also will look like this in my pocket. I mean, I still decided I was gonna use this bag. I have the Insta 360 Go 3S is what I'm bringing to the game in case I need B-roll with the phone, but otherwise I'll be vlogging with this. Wait, let me do one last thing. Can you look up the Warriors game today and add it to my calendar?
Okay, you've got an event from 7 o'clock to 8 p.m. called Golden State Warriors versus Chicago Bulls.
That's cool. So it's again, that's the cross app thing. You can use Gemini for your other apps. Nice, thanks. It's almost 3 p.m. and I am now finally awake. Only now, because jet lag finally caught up to me and I just knocked out. And by the way, story shot with the S25 Ultra. Ooh, it can do the zoomies. Not bad. But yeah, I will be shooting a vlog test. Let me know what features you'd want me to test out. We're seeing a Watchers I'm so bad. Warriors game. I'm so bad at sports. We're seeing a Warriors game today, so let's do that. Yay, sports! Right, so we are at the Chase Center and I have a band playing behind me. Let's see if I can edit this clip for it to sound better, because this phone does have that new AI thing where it cleans out audio in your videos. So this is just like Wimbledon. We are watching sports. I'm by TK and I have no idea what's going on. No idea. Tell me who to shoot. I have no. We're gonna make this happen. 4K 30 right now, and this is 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 5 times, 10 times, 20 times. That's crazy. Back to 1. Okay, this is wide and I'm zooming in, and this is 20 times zoom, and that's right. This is cool.
Golden State is calling a timeout and challenge.
Personality, and I'm like, that was really not about
Let's see how many.
How much longer is this basketball game?
That's cool. That's cool.
Okay, you want me to go? You tell me when to go.
That's it?
Here, I mean, not me only, but.
Was there
Oh,
something?
this is from today. Oh, that's not bad. These are all the videos I shot earlier today. And I mean, so it has my calendar, and then just that.
So it's a day after the game. We're gonna do sightseeing today, but before that, a few thoughts from taking this out shooting for the first time. First off, the zooms are still amazing. Secondly, Gemini is pretty useful. As you saw, we did just take a photo of the game and ask how long the game would take, and it was able to answer that question with a photo. And then there are some things I wanted to try with this phone. Okay, so first off, I wanted to check out the audio remastering. Let's see, I took a clip specifically for that. Right, so we are at the Chase Center and I have a band playing behind me. Let's see if I can edit this clip for it to sound better, because this phone does have that new AI thing where it cleans out audio in your videos. Let's see if I can edit this clip for it to sound better, because this phone. Right, so we're at the Chase Center and I have a band playing behind me. Let's see if I can edit this clip for it to sound better, because this phone does have that new AI thing where it cleans out audio in your videos. This actually works amazingly and it's so easy. You don't need to know anything about editing for you to be able to use it correctly. Although I will say that it's just like any other like audio cleanup tool where you sort of have to adjust to make sure that you don't sound robotic. So there comes a point when you do sound a little bit tinny. Another thing that I wanted to point out is that yes, there is now a flash option on the wide, which the S25 Ultra did not have. This is how it looks like without the flash, with flash. So as you can see, there is a difference. And then finally, I wanted to test out this feature. Swipe up and there is a remaster option. Obviously this is a zoom photo, so let's see if it gets better with the AI remastering. And there you go, a little closer. As you can see, the AI for that zoomed in photo, it sort of fixes that a little bit. Right, my flight is later tonight, but before that, some sightseeing. Walking and talking, shooting with the front-facing camera of the S25 Ultra. This is 4K 30 FPS. Although I would say that I would honestly like to shoot this way with the better cameras. This is a wide-angle shooter, rear camera, 4K 30 FPS right now, and I'm trying to find my friends. But yeah, this is how it looks walking and talking. I still do wish they had a better selfie camera, but we have this, so I'm gonna be still the wide. It's a nice day out. It's not so cold, so I'm happy. I think I see Mary. This is 10 times zoom, by the way. 20 times zoom. Her with her pink case. She's probably zooming at me too. Back to wide. Love the shorts. Love the shorts. A skirt. Love the skirt. With the pink case. Yes. Hello. Today is vlog test day. Right, found my friends. And now we're here in the sun. We're trying to find food, so. Well, look at us, we're so cute. Right. Of course, I'm gonna find a way to mirror selfie. Hey, everybody. So like really cool that they upgraded the wide angle camera on this, but I just really have a very hard time taking 0.5 selfies because the phone is so big and my hands are too small. I carried the smallest camera I could for b-roll, and obviously someone has a different philosophy here.
Not just that, I have another camera at the back.
The whole bag. So I mean, nice. Look at that. Okay. This is 1x, 10x. Love that. I swear to God, I swear this is how we're gonna be now. Like, we're just shooting each other. 5x. At this point, this is gonna be the whole day. Behind the scenes, these two shooting. Oh, I just realized there was portrait video on this. Tighter shot, but you can shoot portrait video on 4K. Very tight. It's so wide.
I'm saying.
Oh my gosh, I absolutely love doing vlog tests with people who are also doing like their tech videos because I automatically have b-roll of everything. We told him to get on the bike for a photo, but I think he's just leaving. Love this. Ah, nice seeing you here. Woo. I just like to say that this would be the perfect group remote selfie opportunity, but we can't do S Pen selfies with the S25 Ultra anymore. So this is the best we're gonna get because we can't do remote selfies.
Well, hello there.
What's up? Okay, I see. Oh my god, do we need to be... I have no words. Next stop is at Trader Joe's just because. I got this drink because it's cultured. So cultured. Trader Joe. Trader Joe.
Yeah.
Let's go. Japanese place at the San Francisco airport, and I just had a ramen, but change my shirt. But anyway, I'm at 15% right now, and that's after a whole day of vlogging and posting. The phone says that this was last charged 11 hours ago, and it had a screen on time of like over 4 hours. Obviously, usage varies, but at least that's what I got with this phone today. This was with vlogging, with data, with social media usage, with messaging. So it's pretty cool. It will definitely get you through the whole day. Now, obviously, I haven't had a chance to show you a lot of low light samples, but let me show you some now. And that was our camera vlog test for the new Samsung S25 Ultra. Let me know what you guys think about the cameras on this phone. Definitely they're powerful shooters. Let me know what else you'd want to see me try with this phone. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's IsaDoes_ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Until next time.